So, apologies if these can't be any better quality. The next step in similar figures and scale factor is using your scale factor to calculate a missing length. Here we have two rectangles. You're told they're similar, so how can you figure out the value of x? Well, the first thing that's most important is that you decide which is your new shape, which is your old shape. So again, we're going to call this one A and this one B. The new shape is whichever one you have to find out information about. So we are trying to find out this value of x, and that is on shape B. So B is our new shape, and A is our old shape. Now, step one, find the scale factor. And just like over here, we're doing new divided by old. So we've got scale factor equals new divided by old. And our new measurement, because we have to pick a measurement that is comparable. So we can't compare this 6 to the x because we haven't got both of those measurements. Instead, we're going to have to compare the 3 and the 5 because they're corresponding lengths. They're equivalent lengths. So our new shape, B, is going to be 5. And our old shape, A, has got a measurement of 3 there. Now, this is really important. If your scale factor does not go into a nice tidy decimal, like 0.5 did over here, you leave it as a fraction. And this is because if you turn it into a decimal too soon, you're risking rounding errors. You're risking losing a part of your measurement by incorrectly rounding too soon. So this is step one. We've found the scale factor. We've left it as a fraction because 5 over 3 is going to be 1.6666 recurring. Step two is using our formula we found, which is new length equals scale factor times old length. And we mentioned it over here that if you're going from 6 to 3, every length is going to be measured and multiplied by 0.5. The other way, if you're going from B to A, every length is going to be multiplied by 2, because that's what your scale factor is. So over here we have new length equals scale factor times old length. Our scale factor is 5 over 3. And this is going to get multiplied by the 6 because we're comparing these two sides. When you work that out, well, we've got times by the top, divide by the bottom. So we have 5 times 6, 30, divide by 3, 10 centimetres. And you've got to remember your units there. So, step one, calculate your scale factor. Step two, you multiply your scale factor by the old length, and that allows you to find your new length.